In this video, I will show you how to turn off or turn on notifications for any apps that you have on your iPhone. So if you go to your settings and you scroll up and you see notifications, and then you have your different apps that you have installed on your iPhone. Say I was going to actually turn on the notifications from the Angie app, and there it's on now. And you have all kinds of different settings that you can set up for your notifications. And then obviously, if you want to go back and say you wanted to actually turn that off, you would select the app and just turn it off. And you get no more push notifications or internal notifications from that app. I hope that's useful. Bye.